Hi everyone, I thought I'd share a quick video with you about Google Gemini and SAT practice tests. Now on January 21st of 2026, Google and the Princeton Review partnered in order to provide free SAT practice test questions. And put simply, through Gemini we can now practice full SAT tests as much as we please. And so as you can see here, I'm on Gemini and I thought I'd quickly show you all that it takes to get started. Put simply, whether I have the free or the pro version, all I have to type in my prompt is something along the lines of, please provide me with a full practice SAT test. Done. And I click on enter. And we're ready to go. As you can see here, I can now practice a full reading and writing section, as well as a full math section of the SAT test. And just for you to see what it looks like, if I click on Start on the Math section, and it should bring me to this Module 1 here with 22 questions, which I should do in 35 minutes. So if I click on Start here, it then gives me the option to either set a time limit for my tests and show the time remaining, to show the correct answer after each response, which I'll leave as off, and to show hints, which I'll leave as off as well. But of course, as you're preparing for the test, you could choose to put either one of these on. Either way, I'll click on Start Test, and now it started. Here we're given the function g is defined by the equation g of x, which equals to 4x minus 7. What is the value of g of x when x equals to negative 3? And we have our four choices or four options here. We'd select one and click on Next. And it would of course walk us through the 22 questions. And there we go, that's the whole idea. Now I'll add that whether or not you're preparing for the SAT test, these should all be excellent practice for your high school mathematics, such as IGCSE or even IB preparation. And there we have it. That's it from me and SAT test preparation using Google Gemini.